Welcome to Mama Bill's kitchen. This has a variety of sweet, sour, and spicy tastes. A double batch doesn't last long with 3 or 4 people snacking on it. Measure everything precisely and write down any modifications. Then the next time you make it you can refer back to your notes and make adjustments for your household. I must be getting old, and I prefer a bit less cayenne pepper and garlic these days, but you can decide for yourself. Here are the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Canned tomatoes, salt, sugar, black pepper, oregano, cumin seed, white vinegar, lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, cayenne pepper, jalapeno pepper, parsley. Now let's make it. Mix all of the ingredients in a small bowl with a spoon. Cover and chill for at least 1 hour to allow the flavors to come out. Stir once again before serving. Now I'm hungry. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. For many more recipes and cooking tips, please visit mamabills.com. YouTube users can leave comments below. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.